I will explain to you how you can easily update your saved templates and change the document that you have saved in your template. Beginning with going to templates from the left sidebar right here, choose the template that you want to update. Click on it, then click on the three dots, and then go to Edit Template. And from here, you can update all of the information needed from all of the steps of the template. For example, you can update the roles of your signers, you can add another signer or another role, you can add their information, for example, verification if needed, and you can also set a workflow for all of your signers. Once you are done updating all of the information here, click on Next to move on to the second step, which is placing the fields. From this step, on the right side here, you can see that there is an icon that says Change Document. You can click on it and then click on Change Document to choose the updated document. For example, let's say we're going to update it to an NDA. Click on Open, and now the new document is uploaded. Remove the old fields that were added on the previous document and add other fields to the bottom of the new document. So beginning, let's say, with the candidate, adding the signature of the candidate, and then the name as well. And then from the drop-down menu, switch to the other signer, which is the HR manager, and add the required fields for the HR manager as well. Then click on Next, and finally review and send. If you need to change the template name, you can go ahead and change it, add the description, and finally finish and save. And now the template is updated with the new document and all of the new information to be used and sent to the signers.